Anywho, if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. Welcome back, Bubblettes.
Say my name, say my name. You know what is around you. Say baby I love you. You ain't every day. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, baby. I saw the change. Say my name, say my name, say my name, say my name. Say
Baby, what you wanna do?
wait.
Hi everybody, in today's video I will be installing a Wingirl 13x4 transparent honey blonde hair. Anywho, oh my god, I don't know, we gonna see. As you're watching my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to me, Bubbles. If you are new here, I want to thank you right now for watching my video and becoming family. You hear? That's Bubble Jr. in the back, my bird. And if you're an OG, thank you always for being here, Bubblettes. Enjoy. Listen, Bubblettes, what do you think about this color? I never had this color in my head. I always wanted it, but I never did it. Mama said it looked good. Oh God, phone ringing. Who is this? You see?
How did that happen? Here? Where is it?
It's there. I just gotta fix it more.
Wow.
Bubblers are getting better at putting on these wigs. Oh, hey! Don't say nothing. Ew! Don't be talking about my curl. That's right. It's old. It's about 20-something plus years. Anywho, it still work. Shoes. Look at the tape. Yeah, you can come in. That's nice.
Yeah, this is what I told him ordered for me. It's not even expensive.
Hello, Shein. This is one for Shein. No, this one's from Amazon.
What is it?
It's an outfit
Whose outfit? For who?
for him.
Oh, no, you're going to put me in trouble, Shane?
How am I gonna put you in trouble? You come over here and show the whole thing. She knows it's for you.
She said, come and show her.
You bought it?
No, that's it.
It's nice. What are you gonna get for me?
Oh,
You want
boy.
to call him,
Listen, y'all don't put me in y'all story.
Shane, you see the Spencer I got here that wear yesterday?
Uh-huh.
I bought it at Ross.
No, you didn't.
No.
Oh, the pens, the color
Yeah,
pens?
this color pen.
Yeah.
So I leave it in the car in the back.
Uh-oh.
You didn't bring me here. My daughter brought me here.
I tell you, don't put me in y'all story.
Oh, man. Smell this thing.
Why he got me smelling
Biden all.
almond? Did he just say Biden all? It smells like a regular almond. It might be your fingers. Did you wash your hands after you touched the balls just
No,
now?
did you wash your hands?
Why he put his hand in my face? Did you nigga come in here and talk about smell? What's this pistachio? What? No, I smell. I ain't messing with y'all too. Let's see how we are looking. This is the finished thing. I did bump it a little bit, as you can see, but just to get a little bump, because I think you would have to use hairspray with this. How we looking? Hi, Bubblers. What do you think? I did not pluck it. I forgot my tweezer, but this had a little bit of a pre-pluck to it. I need some help trying to figure out how to pluck because I'm new to this, and even though I pluck it, it doesn't look like other people plucking. Either I'm not plucking enough, or the strategy I'm doing is wrong. So comment down below what's the best way to make this look more even and more natural. But what do y'all think? I think I need to clean this up right here a little bit. It is showing a little white hue, but I think we're looking good. Anywho. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. What do you think about this new hair? Because I never did this hair color before.
I like it.
I ain't asking my father because he just stared at me like
I love it. I love it too much.
Tell the truth.
Hey ho.
You know what, I'm done. What are we looking like? I'm looking like Beyonce? All I need is a win. Wait, let me get the win. Oh, look. Look.
Man, it's like I can't even take straight these days.
Beyonce up in here.
This is all I gotta say.
Look, I know girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls say when them kids go missing. And shawty, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no, no, no. You know how this shit goes. You got your